One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no more speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no more speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no more speckled frogs. Glub, glub.